Hi there, this is Simpson. In this video we are going to review this Luxor Micra X2 0.7. This is a ballpoint pen. This pen cost about Rs 10. Watch all of our videos in playlist for your favorite pen brands. If you are new to this channel, then do subscribe our channel. Watch this entirely.
Let's take a look at Luxor Micra X2. This is a ballpoint pen. This pen cost about Rs 10. This pen is all plastic body with rubberized grip. The design of the pen is nice. The clip design, the top of the pen wave-like theme which follows in the grip design looks fantastic. The design of the pen looks bulky at the grip and the top of the pen and slim in between. This pen uses small size refill. The spring design looks unique. The grip design looks nice. Luxor Micra X2 written here. The top of the pen wave-like design looks nice. The design of the pen is fantastic. Let's see how it writes. This pen writes smoothly. The color of the ink is dark. Writes with good impression. At this price point, this pen looks nice. Luxor Micra X2. Thanks for watching.